Alden with short update. Yan sa post ng bench. Ayan, gwapo ni Alden, no? Lakas ng dating. Grabe. Ito sabi ng bench, you've got the drag, now get the look. Alden Richard is here to show you how to rock effortless cool every day. Get the iconic style, perfect for any occasion where you need that extra touch of swag, you know. Solid. Ayan, nasa screen yung presyo, yung outfit ni Alden. Ayan, polo, pants, saka shirt. Ayan. Yung from bench. Yung gwapo ng model ng bench. Walang iba kundi si Alden Richards. Grabe mga forma ni Alden eh. Ayan ang bench. Ayan, may umabol pa ng pabate mula kay Gladys Gibara. Ayan, happy birthday baby boy. Saka prayer room. Ayan, side story ni Alden.
Mga kapuso, bilang
Ito mamaya, no?
ng FTK na ipapalabas ngayong 2025.
Pakailan
Please watch sa puso't isipan ang masasabi ko kung isa sa mga pinakamaganda at pinaka-challenging roles po na nagawa ko. Sabado na po yan, 8:15 p.m. only.
Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more update. See ya.